Dear audience, have you ever wondered what happens inside an egg before a baby animals enter the world? Some hatch into fluffy birds while others become powerful reptiles. Today we are going to witness some of nature's most amazing hatching moments and discover how life begins for these incredible creatures. Let's take start with chicken. The journey begins with the chicken. A chick spends about 21 days growing inside its egg. During this time, it develops feathers, eyes, and even a tiny egg tooth. When the chick is finally ready, it starts picking at the shell from the inside. This process can take several hours. Once free, the tiny chick takes its first step into the completely new world. It is small and fragile and is prepared to follow its mother. Next is duck. Ducklings are fascinating even before they hatch. While still inside the egg, they can hear sounds from the outside world. They often communicate with their siblings before breaking free. After hatching, ducklings quickly learn to walk and swim. Within a very short time, they are ready, following their mother and discovering ponds, streams, and wetlands. Sea turtle. Deep beneath the sand, baby sea turtle wait for the perfect moment to hatch. When they emerge, they face one of the most challenging journeys in the animal kingdom. Crocodile. Baby crocodile do not hatch alone. Before breaking out of their eggs, they make small sound. They alert their mothers. Hearing these calls, the mother carefully protects the nest and sometimes even helps her babies reach the water. These tiny hatchlings may look harmless now. Snake. Unlike bird eggs, snake eggs are usually soft and leathery. When a baby snake is ready to emerge, it uses a special egg tooth to cut through the shell. Within minutes of hatching, the young snake is already independent and capable of exploring the world on its own. Komodo dragon. This tiny hatching is Komodo dragon, the world's largest living lizard. Although it starts life small enough to fit in your hands. In the icy environment of Antarctica, penguin chicks depend completely on their parents. After hatching, they start close to receive warmth and protection from the freezing temperature. Ostrich. Ostrich lay the largest eggs of living birds. Breaking through such a thick shell requires strength and determination. Every one of these animals began life inside an egg, from tiny chicks and duckling to sea creatures, crocodile, snakes, penguin, ostrich, and even dragon. Each hatching is a remarkable moment in nature. Although their journeys are very different, they all share the same beginning, a small egg filled with promise of new life. Nature has developed countless ways to protect and nourish young animals before they enter the world. Some hatch in warm nests, others beneath the sand, and some in the coldest place on the earth. Which hatching moment did you find the most amazing? Was it the sea turtle racing towards the ocean, the tiny crocodile calling for its mother, or the future giant Komodo dragon? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of animal hatching, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more incredible wildlife stories. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next adventure. Thank you for watching and Allah Hafiz till the next video.